Okay, to solve this problem, we have to create a circular table where 8 people can sit. So let's do it quickly. Okay, our table is ready. So let's start the problem. Our first condition is f is sitting second to the left of k. So let's give arbitrarily f this position. So automatically you have to put k over here. Then only f will be at second place from the left side of k. Okay, the second condition is the scientist is an immediate neighbor of k. If this is k, then there are two positions we can put scientist either here or here. So let's arbitrarily put scientist here. SC is the scientist. Okay, I am having another diagram where it is showing scientist on the left side of k. So these are the two possible cases which are satisfying the second condition, that scientist is an immediate neighbor of k. Okay, let's focus on this diagram, the first diagram, and move on to the third condition. The third condition says there are only 3 people between the scientist and E. So we have to put E over here. So this is the only possible case. From both the sides we are having 3 people between E and scientist. Fourth condition says only one person sits between the engineer and E. So if you look at the diagram, there are two possible spaces where we can put engineer. We can put engineer either here or here. So both the positions are fulfilling the fourth condition, that there are only one person in between E and the engineer, from here also and from here also. One person between E and the engineer. So arbitrarily let us put engineer over here, ER. The next condition says the columnist is the immediate right of the engineer. If this is the engineer, then this must be the columnist, which is at the immediate right of the engineer. M is second to the right of K. If this is K, then second to the right of K, we have to put M over here. So this is the second place to the right of K. H is the scientist, so we have to put H over here. Our next condition is G and J are immediate neighbors of each other. So these are the two seats available which are immediate neighbor to each other, and we have to put G and J over here only, because this cannot be possible in any other position, because there is no position left which are immediate neighbor to each other, and they are both available. So this is the only possible case. So let's arbitrarily put G over here, or J over here, or we can put G over here or J over here. Neither J nor G is an engineer. So we can see that this arrangement, either of this arrangement, is contradicting the fact that neither G or J is an engineer. So here in this arrangement, either J or G is an engineer. So this diagram, this whole arrangement is wrong. So we have to go to that arrangement where engineer is placed over here. So let's do it quickly. Okay, our fifth condition is the columnist is to the immediate right of the engineer. So immediate right of the engineer, this is the columnist. Next condition is M is second to the right of K. Second to the right of K, so we have to put M over here. H is the scientist. So again, H is the scientist. Okay, G and J are immediate neighbors of each other. So we can have G or J over here, or J or G over here. Neither G or J is an engineer, so we can see neither of them is an engineer, because engineer is here. The financial analyst is to the immediate left of F. So this is the financial analyst, immediate left of F. The lawyer is second to the right of columnist. Second to the right of columnist, this is lawyer. The professor is an immediate neighbor of engineer. So this is the professor. Okay, our last condition is G is second to the right of chartered accountant. So if we put CA over here, then G is on the first position from the right of chartered accountant. So this this combination is violating the last condition, and this couldn't have been done in any other case. So this whole diagram is wrong. So let's move on to this diagram. Okay, let's come back to our third condition. There are only 3 people between scientist and E, so we have to put E over here to satisfy that condition, in 3 people from both the direction. So it is okay. Only one person sits between engineer and E, so there are 2 possible spaces for engineer. Let's arbitrarily put engineer over here, and there is another case where we have to put engineer over here. Let's try this case where engineer is over here. The columnist is to the immediate right of the engineer, so this is the columnist. M is second to the right of K, so here is M. H is the scientist, so H is the scientist. G and J are immediate neighbors to each other, so there are 2 slots which are immediate neighbor to each other, is this one. So we have to put G or J in either of these 2 positions. Neither G or J is an engineer, so this is also violating the condition that neither G or J is an engineer. So we have to discard this diagram because we cannot have G or J as an engineer, so this diagram is wrong. So we have to put engineer in this position. Let's do it and redraw the whole diagram. So let's come back to our 5th condition, that the columnist is to the immediate right of the engineer. So immediate right of the engineer is this, so this is the columnist. M is second to the right of K. M is second to the right of K. Once again, this is M. H is the scientist. H is the scientist. The next condition is G and J are immediate neighbors to each other. So these are the 2 slots which are immediate neighbors to each other. So let's keep these slots blank and let's move on. Neither G nor J is an engineer. We can see neither G or J is an engineer because engineer is over here, so this is also satisfying this condition. The financial analyst is to the immediate left of F. So financial analyst must be here, so this is the immediate left of F. The lawyer is second to the right of columnist. The lawyer is second to the right of columnist, so this is place of lawyer. The professor is an immediate neighbor of engineer, so this is the only space left for professor. G is second to the right of chartered accountant, so only space left for, okay, let me check once again. Okay, G is second to the right of chartered accountant. Remember, we have to put G either here or here. So, and to satisfy this last condition, we have to put G over here and chartered accountant over here. Then only it will satisfy the condition that G is to the right and to the second position from CA. So this is the only possible case that can happen. So only profession that was left for tagging is doctor. So we have to put doctor over here and J over here. So this is our solution. Thank you.